My name is Mau.
Mau?
Yes, Mau. My family name is Kuri. Family name Kuri.
English, your family name is Kure?
Yes, my name is Mau.
Sir,
Come in, come in.
welcome, sir.
Good afternoon. Sir, your name is Joel.
Yes, sir.
Joel.
Tay, English.
Sir, I asked you. I asked your destination. It is correct. Going to airport.
Yes, sir. Tay, mas ulit. Si Bisaya.
It's correct, sir. Your address, airport.
Yes, sir. Sir, di pa kayo marunong mag-Tagalog. Bisaya kasi ako.
I understand Bisaya, little only Bisaya, little.
You can speak Bisaya, sir?
Bisaya, no, little, sorry, because my first time here in a drive, in Grab, I'm first time working here.
Sir, where are you from?
I'm from in USA. I was born in 20 years there. Yes, and then my mother Pinay, and then my father American. So sorry because I'm first time for driving a Grab. I understand Bisaya little like you say guapo, yeah, guapo. You know guapo?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, guapo.
Kasi sir, sa English niya. Dili, hatod ako kay Bisaya ko, ako kasabot. Wala na ka. Ano lang.
Sorry sir, please speak English sir. Sorry, I don't understand. Sorry.
Me using me to airport, okay? No English anymore.
I said you going to airport?
Yes, please. You know, because me English no good. Very little. Okay?
Okay sir.
Okay, by the way, sir,
Yes.
what is your name?
Me?
Yes.
My name is Mau. My name is Mau.
Mau?
Yes, Mau. And you, what is your name?
Your name is Balbas. You know Balbas?
Balbas. My family name is Kuri. My family name is Kuri. Family name Kuri.
English, your family name is Kure?
Yes. My name is Mau.
Mau.
Yes.
Your name is Mau. Okay. Mau?
Yes. Yes. Why you smile? My name is Kuri Mau.
So sorry. No. It's okay.
Yes, yeah.
No problem.
You like my name? Kuri Mau.
Yes, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay.
Okay.
No English na. No split.
No, you speak English?